Hi everyone, today October 26, Friday, and my friend Alex from Canada arrived now in Clark International Airport, and I waiting him. But you remember before I wait in the side of the road if going to the Clark, but now it's not allowed already to stop and park also. That's why I go into Clark Park. This is Clark Park. It's near, and I wait him because he again lost his bag, lost baggage. His flight from Canada to Taiwan, and from Taiwan to Clark, and he again, it's second time already he lost baggage. So when he messaged to me, I will go. And I only yesterday recover my SIM card. That's why only yesterday I can send message to him, because he said to me before about his flight, but you know, two guys snatched my bag with my phone. Of course I cannot message to him, I cannot anything. I just only recover my SIM card only yesterday evening, and I sent message to him. He already in Taiwan. That's why I pick up now him from the Clark International Airport. I hope his bag is delayed not for a long time. Yes, last time he said 1 day only, and next day he will take back from airport. Maybe different airlines, different flight. And I will go, I will show where I cannot park already now. So guys who want to pick up and wait from Clark International Airport, is good place for park here and wait. Well, you can sit outside, have table, chairs, they'll also have. It's very close from the road. It's maybe 5 minutes to drive to the airport, about 5 minutes. And today we go with Shaira to festival. This is a popular festival, Tiktan Tirakan name. Maybe I'm not correct to say in Tagalog. It's like Oktoberfest. Every October, in the middle of October, they close the road, MacArthur Highway, for 2 days. Sometimes 3 days, sometimes 2 days. But this time only 2 days. Yesterday already they start, but we going today. Yesterday Friday. Today Saturday, October 26. That's why we go with Shaira. But again, rain every day. I don't know, every day. Today morning is good weather, sunny, is good. But after maybe 30 minutes, again start rain. Again stop raining, again start. So I not use motorcycle already maybe 2 or 3 months. That's why I use always car. I don't want to in wet. You know, if wet in the Philippines and go to hypermarket or any place with aircon, can faster sick. I don't want again problem with my health. Here before I park, and many taxi drivers also, but now here cannot park. Start big rain again because typhoon. Alex already waiting in Bay 3. Here have parking 50 peso. Before, it's maybe 7 months ago. I don't know, maybe 50, maybe more. Alex, Bay 3, it's Bay 1. This is Bay 1. time now. You can see. MacArthur Highway closed for 2 days. I go to home, to Mabalacat, and evening I come back to take video and festival. Already we go with Shaira. Shaira now work until 7, so we go maybe 9 or 10, we go to Angeles again.